We'll guide you through how to save Instagram photos and videos in your gallery. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you wish to save Instagram photos and videos, there are different ways you go about this, so make sure it's this full guide. This is convenient because then you can have a backup on your phone in case something happens to it. And also it means you can go and share it from your phone as well, as perhaps you want to go and show it to somebody who hasn't got Instagram. So to go and get started with this, for the first method, come to your profile page by pressing your profile icon in the bottom right, as I've done, I'm here. Next, you need to go to the top right and press the three lines. This opens up your settings and activity. From here, you need to go and start scrolling down, and you need to come into the section, which is your app and media. Then in here, you can go and find archiving and downloading. So you can go and tap there. Now what you want to do is where it says saving to camera roll, you want to go and press save original photos, switch that on. That will automatically save the unedited photos and videos taken with your Instagram's feed camera to your camera roll. You can also go and switch on save story to camera roll as well. So if you go and take a video or a photo while doing a story, it'll be saved. That's how you can do your own. If you want to go and download other people's, you can only do this with their videos. So what you can do is come to Reels at the bottom. You can find the one you want to do it with and press the three dots in the bottom right. Press the share button in the bottom right like so, and then what you need to do is go and scroll along and you'll find the option for download. So you can then go and press download like so, and as you can see it says, downloaded Reels cannot be used for commercial use. So consider that, make sure you're not using it for commercial use and just sharing it with friends or somebody else. So that's it. Now when we go and check our gallery, they'll go and be there. Whether that was the reel or video we just downloaded there, or if we go and take one using our Instagram's feed camera or our story camera, it'll be there. So if you found this useful and want to see more Instagram guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got loads more guides like this on the channel and lots more to come as well. So I look forward to help you in the next guide with your next problem and hopefully go and resolve it.